For now I don't have any valid reason to do transformation. Yes, this is my reality, that I don't have any reason to do my transformation. Okay, I have a reason, like मुझे अच्छा दिखना है, I want to look good. Okay, this is the reason. I want to see my abs, I want to see my abs वगैरह वगैरह. I want attention from girls, I want attention from each and every girls. Okay, this is also reason, but this is not the very deep reason. This is not the reason कि भाई I have to do something. For example, if a guy is doing job, okay, if a guy is doing nothing, he's just sitting at home, and suddenly his father causes any kind of heart attack, or his father got into any kind of accident. So obviously बात है, his financial condition will become very affect. His financial condition will get affect, because the only man who was earning in his family was his father. But now his father is in hospital, and his father lost his job. So what? So obviously बात है, the responsibility will came to him, and you have to do job. So this is the thing that I want to tell to myself, that I don't have any valid reason for now. Okay, I have a reason, but this is not a valid reason, because the thing that I'm telling to myself, that I want to do transformation, I want to look good, but this is only by my emotion. Okay, this is the thing that I'm telling to myself, the reason that I'm giving to myself, that is purely based on emotions. Okay, sometimes I feel really really bad, very sad about how people look, how people are really looking good, and people are they have very six pack abs, they have very sharp jawline, they have attention. When I look in their comment section, especially on Instagram reels, I see so many girls are commenting on them, they are flirting with them. And so then I feel really sad for myself, that I'm looking very fat, I'm really fat, I'm not looking that great, I don't have abs, or I don't have that jawline that people are, I'm seeing that they have that kind of jawline. So this really makes me insecure, and based on this, the reason, and based on this, okay, इस reason के ऊपर से मुझे कभी कभार लगता है कि समटाइम्स आई थिंक दैट आई शुड डू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. बट द थिंग दैट इज कमिंग इनसाइड फ्रॉम मी, दैट द इमोशन दैट इज कमिंग इनसाइड फ्रॉम दैट आई शुड डू my transformation, I should start my transformation, is purely based on my emotions, is purely based on my insecurity emotion. Okay, but after some time the emotion fade away. Okay, so after some time this mentality, this emotion lasts long for some time, and after that it gets fade away slowly. For example, today is Wednesday, and all day all day I was just thinking about, wow, are people having very great physique, in 2 years of training, 2 years into gym, they have a really great physique, they have a really great abs popping out. And when I look at myself in the mirror, I look very very fat, chubby. I don't have that kind of jawline, I don't have that kind of hair that people are carrying on Instagram. The girls are really flirting with them, girls are, and actually original girls are commenting on them, on their videos. And I was literally like, I want to be like them. So soon as I, and all day along this was going inside my mind. But soon as I hit the gym, soon I as get into the gym, I forget each and everything. I was really into gym. I'm doing my sets, and I'm really feeling happy, because see, there are two things that are which are keeping me which are keeping me in which are keeping me like, मुझे नहीं कटिंग करना. ये दो चीज़ें ना मुझे ना कटिंग करने के लिए ना बोल रही है. ये दो चीज़ों की वजह से मैं कटिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी. सबसे पहली बात तो द फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ वेट्स. ओके, वेट्स. द फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ वेट्स. See, on leg press, I on leg press मैं कितना वेट मारता पता है? How much I load on leg press. Each side 6 plates of 20 kg. So okay, one side is 6 plate of 20 kg, so 6 1 6 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 80 kg, 2 ones are 2, 2 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 120 left hand side and 120 on the right hand side. And it's 240 kgs around. And I'm not like that person that is doing partial reps or is really doing fast movement, and he's not and just doing it for, you know, like weights. He's just doing it for, he's just doing in ego reps. He's doing like a egoistic guy who don't have mind muscle connection, who don't know how to perform, who don't know how to really actually hit the muscle. Okay, he's just doing for the weights, he's just doing for his ego to get satisfied that I'm just doing, I'm just मैं बस वेट मार रहा हूँ, I'm just lifting the heavy weights, I'm just lifting the heavy weights. But his form is shitty, his reps are shitty, his tempo, his all things are shitty. Okay, his range of motion is also shitty. I'm not that kind of a guy. I'm that kind of a guy who has a really good amount of weights, who is literally lifting a very good amount of weights, who is lifting very decent amount of weights in a proper form, in a proper range of motion, very deep range of motion. I would say not proper, I would say very deep range of motion, training in a very deep range of motion, in very slow and control manner. Not like कि भाई ऊपर वेट है और झपक से नीचे ला रहा हूँ, नो, नीचे आते वक्त स्लो ला रहा हूँ, और वो भी हैवी वेट में. एंड मतलब पूरे जिम में मैं दूसरा आऊँगा जो इतना हैवी वेट मार रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मेरे गुरुजी के बाद. And people like just seeing my weight, people are really seeing my weight, and people are really just seeing my weight, and people are seeing my form, range of motion, and people like, bro, what the fuck, who's this guy who's just lifting this amount of weight? And I was really seeing those people eyes, I was really able to see their reaction after I just completed my set. I am able to see their, you know, I'm able to see their faces, लाइक उनका फेस ऐसा दिख रहा है, मतलब वो ना मेरे वेट को देख रहे हैं, मेरे वेट को काउंट कर रहे हैं, एंड भाई वो मेरे वेट को ही देख रहे हैं और ऐसा ऐसा मुंह बना रहे भाई. क्या बात है भाई, क्या बात है भाई, ऐसा ऐसा मुंह बना रहे हैं. मैं लिटरली, और एक बंदा ना शोल्डर की मशीन पे था और वो उसका वो सेट मार रहा था, वो बंदा ना सेट मारते मारते मेरा वेट देख रहा है, वो मेरी तारीफ़ कर रहा है, भाई क्या बात है यार, इतना वेट मारता है. मतलब ऐसा होता है. इसके लिए मेरे को ना कटिंग करना बिल्कुल पसंद है, क्योंकि एक तो इतना ज़्यादा मैं हैवी वेट उठाता हूँ, और वो भी कंट्रोल मैनर में, एकदम अच्छे प्रॉपर रेंज ऑफ मोशन में. अब उसकी वजह से मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा फील होता है, इतना ज़्यादा अल्फ़ा फील होता है कि मतलब भाई जिम में मैं सबसे ज़्यादा हैवी वेट उठा रहा हूँ, और वो भी अच्छे प्रॉपर फॉर्म में. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि लोग मेरे से सीख रहे, लोग मेरे को देख रहे, लोग मेरे से इंस्पायर हो रहे. एंड सच बताऊँ ना कि मैन को ना ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करती है. तुमको क्या लगता है ये जो बड़े बड़े बिजनेसमैन हैं, जो बड़े बड़े लोग हैं, क्यों चेस कर रहे हैं इतना ज़्यादा ये सारी सक्सेस को? क्योंकि उनको पावरफुल महसूस करना है, उनको रिस्पेक्टेड महसूस करना है. व्हेन मैन स्टार्ट टू गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट, दिस काइंड ऑफ पावर, ही गेट एडिक्टेड टू इट. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो मर्द, आई ऑल्सो बिलोंग टू मर्द जात. ओके, आई ऑल्सो बिलोंग टू मर्द जात. सो ऑब्वियसली if I'm lifting a lot of weight, people will respect me. And obviously people listen to my advice. If whenever I just give advices to someone, a random guy or my friend, they just listen to my words, each and every words. Not like कि आ गया ज्ञान चोदने के लिए, नहीं. They listen each and everything, every word of mine, each and every advice of mine, and they even apply to their body. And I'm not like that kind of person that he's just getting into gym and he's just doing he's not talking with anyone else. I'm not that kind of person that is not talking to any of them. He's just getting into gym, he's just lifting his weights, and he's just going to home. No, I'm not that kind of a guy. I come into gym, first I handshake with each and every person who's into the gym. I just handshake with them, and I just go to my set. And after completing my set, or sometimes the set is really heavy, or the exercise there